Here's another one I came up with on the back deck of my house. A leaf blower's blowing loose grass around. That by itself is not my favorite sound. But add in a train coming through the station and a whole lot of birds in conversation and an airplane flying by and breezes blowing out of the sky and a car horn honking somewhere far away and kids being told to go outside and play and water sprinklers and a truck in reverse and through a window a laugh or a curse and a dog that's barking and another joining in and that leaf blower starting up again. That sounds to me like summertime, and that might be my favorite sound. It takes me back to every age I've been. The sound of summertime. Not a bad one.